Hi, this is the second video for creating a website using HTML and CSS. So in the first video I have created this specific layout, and in this video I am going to modify this by using some CSS. So this would be improved version. You can say that this is the earlier one, and I will create something like this. So this is cute and beautiful. So how this would happen, I would make some changes. So let's begin. So this is the earlier. So what we shall do is we have to put some content into it. So my first website is as it is, navigation is as it is, and inside the content I am going to put some paragraphs. So let me put some paragraphs, and inside of that paragraph I am just going to put some content. So here is the content. So again one more paragraph. So this content is enough for now. And now one more thing is we should have some heading. For say example, we have H2, and this is welcome, right? So now if we shall see on the output screen, this will look like something like this, right? And we also have to put some content in the additional information. So here again I am going to put some heading, let's say H3. So additional information, and below this I want to put some paragraphs. So inside of that paragraph, let's say we have some content, and one more paragraph. So now let's see. So here we go. So we have the information. So now what we are going to do is we have to improve the heading. So how the heading would be improved? So as you have seen that in the heading we should have some. And one more thing, before improving the heading, we have some space from the top. So how this would be removed? We have to write here star and margin 0 pixel. So now the space would be removed, right? And one more thing, in the wrapper, what we have to do? We have to do nothing for now. And in the heading section, what we need to do is we have to increase the font size. So for say example 25 pixel, and color is black, and I'm just going to change into white color, and font family sans serif. So now if you will see, you will find little bit change. So I think this is looking beautiful. And now move to the navigation bar. So in the navigation, what we have to do is we have to create some margin from the top and bottom. So let's say 5 pixel from top and bottom, and 0 pixel from left and right. And one more thing is border radius. So let's say 10 pixel. So now if you will see, you will find this change. And one more thing is I am also wanted to change the color into navy. So now it would look like something this, and the color of the text should be white. So now this is looking good. And the next thing is this content section. So inside the content section we have needed some padding, and let's say we have paragraphs, as you have seen. So all the paragraphs should have some padding, paragraphs as well as H1, H2 sorry, and H3. So all these must have some padding. So let's say padding is 10 pixel. So if you will see, this is looking too beautiful. And one more thing is the heading 2, H2, its background should be black and color obviously white. So now if you will see, you will look something like this. So this is looking beautiful, right? You can also keep it in between, but this is looking beautiful. And in the footer section, what we have to do is, in the footer section we have to increase the font size. So here I think font size should be 20 pixel. And one more thing is, you can see now this is looking good, and the font family should be sans serif. And here also now if we shall see, this is looking good. And the heading which we have H2 and H3 should have the font family sans serif. This would look good, right? So this is looking beautiful. So I think that I have also need to increase the font size of the heading section. So I think font size should be 30 pixel. Now if you shall see, this is looking good. So we have improved the CSS from in this specific video. So I think this is looking beautiful in comparison with the previous one. So this was the CSS which has made this specific layout beautiful. So in the next video we would learn more about the navigation and other things. We shall create one after the other, and please be consistent with the videos. So that's it. In the next video we would be learning about another cool concept. So before ending this video, I request you to support my channel by subscribing it if not subscribed yet. Just subscribe it on clicking at subscribe button right bottom of your screen. Like this video, share this video to your friends. For any query, please feel free to ask below in the comment. I appreciate your feedback if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.